Everything you need to know about 3-bead application, all in real time. So you'll start with your first bead in the first third of the nail near the tip. Make sure you pat the back of the bead down so it's really flush with the nail, because this will help with any potential shadowing. The other thing that's really important that will help prevent shadowing in the nail is the ratio. So make sure that your ratio is spot on. So you'll see here I'm feathering that back, making sure it's nice and flush and it's the shape that I want it to be before I go in with my next bead. So this is the ratio I use for my system. It's just 2 gentle wipes and then 3 bounces in my powder. Then I place my next bead 2/3 of the way up the nail. I always try and give the bead a moment just to polymerise while it's on the nail, and then I'll go back in to actually shape it. So again, making the back of the bead flush and getting the shape where I want to be before I actually drag the rest of it down the nail really gently. So I'm just using the tip of my brush to feather that down the nail very gently. Then I apply the cuticle bead. Again, allow it just to sit for a couple of seconds to polymerise so you don't wipe it away with your first brush stroke. Then tuck the cuticle in. Make sure the sides are nice and flush. And by this point you should be able to wipe that down without wiping your excess away. So again, very gently feathering that down with the tip of your brush and wiping the excess off my brush, getting any kind of product out of my brush that might be in there, and just shaping it how I want it to be. I try and apply these beads as smoothly as possible and work as much with my brush as possible, because it will minimise the amount of filing that I'll need to do at the end. And in the moment you'll see the final product before filing. If you've got any questions or anything else you'd like to see, just pop it in the comments and I'll see what I can do for you. Thanks for watching. Bye now.